Hello everyone. So this is my demonstration of EchoeBack.com. This is my MVP of my product or service that I am building. So EchoeBack is a time capsule service where you are able to send letters or videos to your future self or another person, whatever date you want to put the capsule to, and it will be sent to that person or yourself. So this is just my home page. I will show you guys how to sign up and create your first capsule. So let's click on sign in over here. Down here you click sign up, and then let's put in this information to make the account, and then let's put a basic password for the meanwhile. And then reference codes are pretty good if you get one. It allows a user to get a promo code to have a premium account. Stay tuned for other people's reference codes. Wrong thing. Let's get my email. Okay, let's create the account. Now we'll have to go to our email and get the verification code. So verify my email, and then this is the dashboard from logging in. So on the left side there's where my logo shall go when I make another one. So this is the dashboard. Create a video, write a letter, then you have your upgrade plan, share to like a social media platform, you get a percentage off. Currently it says 20, but it's really 10. I haven't fixed that yet. And here's your settings. Let me show you guys the settings. So here's your personal information, from your name, your email, your date of birth, when you made the account, your plan, how many credits you have. You can change your password, delete your account. And then here's feedback, where you can leave a report bug, a review, or do a survey. You can change it to light mode. And even if you are a influencer, you can apply and have your community use you can have your community use EchoeBack. But here, let me show you guys how to write your first letter. So here's the form for to write your time capsule. Let me just write something simple real fast. Hey, me, it's you from the future. We are recording a video showing users how to sign up. Isn't that cool, man? How are we looking? And then you write your name, you put your email. You can click this to send it to somebody else, but I'm not sending it to anybody else. I want to receive it in August 4th. I can click this to share it, but I'm not going to share. I'm going to keep it private. And then that's my message. This is the delivery information. It's just confirming everything, and then you send it off. This is because we haven't officially logged in. Let me just do that real fast. I thought I fixed this issue, but apparently not. So now, there we go. The time capsule has been sealed. And now we go back to the home page or go back to the dashboard. And then you see how Currently, we're 0/1 letter capsule. That's because we just put a capsule in the system. It tells you when you'll get it, and then you can upgrade. And this is what it will look like. I will leave a promo code in the comments for you to get a discount. So thank you for watching, and that's everything. Take care now.